Anti-Corruption Network discovered that Abdulsalami Hudu received check payment following orders from Governor Yahaya Bello up to the sum of 3,790,000,000 naira. I repeat again, Abdulsalam Hudu received check payment following orders from Yahaya Bello up to the sum of 3,790,000,000 naira. The Kogi State Government House Administration, that's operation in bracket, with Access Bank account with account number 07931900623 and Kogi State Government House Admin account with Zenith Bank with account number 10106627110. Anti-Corruption Network also discovered that most of the checks were made in tranches of 10 million naira. On the 24th of October 2016, Abdulsalami Hudu cashed a check of 10 million naira 15 times in one day. Then on 30th 11/2016, he cashed a check of 10 million naira 26 times in one day. On the 21st of December 2016, Abdulsalami Hudu cashed a checks of 10 million naira 33 times in one day. 2 days later, the 23rd of December 2016, he cashed the same 10 million naira 30 times in one day. Payment on other days in 2016 between 4 to 10 times in a day with no specific description for the purpose of these funds. Anti-Corruption Network suspects that Abdulsalami Hudu is a cash cow and money launderer to Governor Yahaya Bello, as he also runs a company, Mesa Ojubade Limited, a private company limited by shares with registration number 1087036 with Corporate Affairs Commission, which majors in petroleum products sales and distribution, incorporated on the 21st of December 2012 under a registered office address at plot 50 phase 2 housing estate Lokoja in Kogi State. This violates section 2A, which also bars a public officer from engaging or participating in the running of any private business, profession, or trade. I hope some of you with serious BP issues saying, why would you be giving him 10 million naira check up to like 40 times in one day? This is contrary to Treasury Circular number TRY-A2 and B2 2009 OA GFCAD 26V of 24th March 2009, which states that all procurement of stores and services exceeding 200,000 shall be made only through the award of contracts. Similarly, Treasury Circular reference number TRY-A2 and A3 2013/OAGF/CAD/026/V.1/188 of 9th April 2013 emphasized that cash advance in excess of 200,000 should not be granted to any officer for procurement of goods and services, but the procurement should be given out as contract. Anti-Corruption Network discovered that Umar Comfort Olufunke received checks following the orders of Governor Yahaya Bello up to the tune of 749 million naira from Kogi State Government House Admin account with Zenith Bank with account number 10106627110. Anti-Corruption Network also discovered that most of the payments were made in tranches of 10 million naira on the 11th of October 2016 under Umar Comfort cashed 10 million naira 5 times on the 2nd of November 2016 and on the 3rd of November 2016. She cashed 10 million naira 8 times respectively. On the 23rd of December 2016, Umar Comfort cashed 10 million naira 30 times, totaling 300 million naira in one day. Then 6 days later, on the 29th of December 2016, she cashed the same amount of 10 million naira 10 times, amounting to 100 million naira with no specific description for the purpose of funds. Despite the likelihood of being a public servant under the employment of Kogi State government, Anti-Corruption Network suspects that Umar Comfort is a cash cow and chief money launderer to Governor Yahaya Bello. The Anti-Corruption Network investigation in respect of the transaction revealed that there was no specified description for the purpose of the funds. This is contrary to the Treasury Circular number TRY A2 and B2 2009/OAGF/CAD